What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Quay. Welcome back to the channel. If you can tell by the title and thumbnail, which is probably why you click on this video, man. Your boy turned 21 and I bought my first gun. Glock 23, Gen 3, 40 caliber, Smith & Wesson. But just to show y'all, for people that don't know about guns, Glock 23, Smith & Wesson, Gen 3. I was looking for Gen 5, but I couldn't find a Gen 5 nowhere. Fucking loud ass truck. Video, I'm gonna go to the gun range. This just me showing y'all the gun. Weekend, we will be going to shoot the Glock for the first time. So, yeah. Glock 23. Yeah, make sure y'all like the video, man. Continue watching. Watch the full video. Stay tuned for more videos dropping. Next clip, we're gonna be me in the gun range.
Cheese, I bet y'all hit a headshot for you.
Stop it. Get some help.
You see those headshots like you play? I'm cut like that. Damn! I put my shots right beside each other, bro. I'm not playing with you, Quay.
That was my first one.
I put my shots beside each other, man. You see it? You see it? I told you I ain't gonna miss.
Where the fuck you was shooting at, nigga?
I ain't playing.
What you was shooting at, Quay?
Look,
Can't tell.
look, bro, look. Quay got 2 shots at 9. I got 1 shot at 9. Nigga, look at what mine that.
This shit's close to the X, man.
You saw what my bullet hit. It hit on the edge of that X. I ain't playing with them, bro. I'm really like that. I'm accurate. These glasses ain't mine.
How many bullets you? How many bullets you got, though, bro?
I got 2 clip full.
2 clip full? Okay. You gotta empty out the clip? Trying to empty out the clip? Hold on, let me see your setup real quick, bro. You see him? He got the nigga got the flashlight on. Oh. Beam on there. Woo. That nigga turned to a cop out this bit. I bet that nigga didn't hit that. Hey, what you think about this, man, bro? What you think about
Man,
What you think about this?
you said J.R. Smith with the rebound after George Hill missed the free. Didn't he hit?
Y'all niggas trying to have a shootout?
You see what I'm doing? Okay, so down there. 1 bullet to hit down there, nigga.
How many bullets you shot in the game?
It's alright.
2.
I mean, look at nigga. You see these 2 shots right here? And then I got that one right there. Come on now.
That nigga hit the
Nigga, I know you. Nigga, bro, that the bottom of the paper. I mean, if the leg, I mean, you might catch them in the legs. You might catch them slipping, but bro,
bottom of the paper is crazy.
I put 2 bullets beside
To
each
the
other.
dome.
To the dome beside each other.
That nigga scraped the head.
He got a piece of the skull.
Got him
He left the
sleeping
brain
there.
open a little bit. The brain might be. You know what I'm saying? The brain gonna be a little. This is what Quay's trying to take. Look right here. This is Quay's book. These 2 twins right here, them mine. This is also Quay's book.
For sure.
Now check this right here. That's his bullets too. Now did this. This right here is my
But you were
bullet.
almost there at the X, right?
Don't say I'm really there if we being real.
You really locked in.
Really locked in on God. And I got 1 9 right here. He got these 2 9s right here. If you want to be real, I got 19. He got 8. You know what I'm saying? I I ain't gonna hold you. You know what I'm saying? But these right here, make a deduction, boy.
Yeah, man.
I say let's deduct the points. Let's go. Let's say deducting 10 points.
10 points.
Yeah, 10 points. So he got 10. Yeah. So we deducting, counting them, these 5 each. You know what I'm saying? House rules, man. House rules.
Man, tell me about your gun, bro. Tell me about the gun, bro.
Smith and Wesson.
Very good.
I'm not 45.
Don't drop it, look. They got a care package.
I think it's like 15 per person. Like if you got,
So if you want to get a gun,
like if you want to use a runner, I saw the runners out there like $5.
yeah.
But I think it's but if you got your own piece with the ammo, it's fall too.
Deer season.
Say it with me one time.
Hibernation.
Oh God. Trey, I'm going for the neck and above, man. I'm going for the neck and above, boy. I'm going for the neck and above, boy. That's the light. Look up to that.
No, look at my nigga with the sniper. Come on. Oh God. Damn.
I put it in the same spot again, bro. I told you above the neck.
That nigga put that bitch
I put it in
middle.
the same spot again.
Damn.
Put it in the same spot again, above the neck. You can tell, bro. You can tell this thing got wider, bro. That's four. That's four to the top. I ain't aiming for the stomach. I'm going for the kill. Hit quitter, man. I'm going for the kill. Let me get you out of there. I ain't playing around with him. Do that.
He ain't playing with you.
Put a bullet
He ain't
in
playing
the
with
same
you, cuz.
hole. Put a bullet
Bro
in the
got
same
the
hole.
sniper. No, nigga.
Hold on, camera quick. Oh, God.
Caught in 4K, buddy. Hold on. But it's that sniper, boy. I tell you, boy.
We saw it with the whole
Nah. Bro, what you got to say about this, bro? What you got to say about
It was that over there.
Oh, all right. Bet. Okay. Okay.
They got a chance to live. Look at where my shots at, bro. You out of there.
No, he shot a nigga in the neck though.
Yeah, you at least got.
Nigga, that like right here.
Yes, bro. That's my shot, bro. I'm drinking.
Yeah, man.
I'm really catching shoot. Hold on.
Really, nigga just.
I might miss. I might not. I don't know.
For the culture. Open up.
I ain't playing with you, Quay. Do you not see the new hole? Bro,
Damn.
this is me right here,
Damn.
and this is me right here. I'm not playing with you, Quay.
He's not playing.
I still
games.
got it, bro. I still got it, bro.
I bet I get right here.
I'm going long distance. All right, bet. We gonna see. Ugh. Said go long distance, Trey. I went long distance for you, bro. Yeah, bro. Go back a little bit further. Stop right there. There you go.
You got a clean card? No, that was our second. Okay. So we'll do this then. Hang on one second. All right.
You don't want it for real. You don't want it for real. Wait, bro. Hey, no homo. When you shoot, bro, find a good stance, like how you shoot the ball. Find a good stance, bro. Hey, don't quit helping this man. Find a stance.
No, you just got caught in 4K, but I'm sorry.
Bro, find look. Like, right. I only took 2 shots at the stomach on purpose to try to aim for the edge. Everything else been in the head or in the neck. That's it.
No, just the dots so they get high.
It's really it really runs in the family. You know, my mom, my dad really taught me. You know what I'm saying? My uncle, they sorry to y'all, man. For sure. Y'all taught me that. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like my mom probably thought I don't know how to shoot no more because she said my forearm was messed up. But hey, my mom shot a bullet in the same before too. It wasn't in the family, mom. See what I mean?